Sa pa sa pit sa Yeah. It's coming in 12 minutes. It's coming in 12 minutes. It's on West 33rd in Neptune. Yeah.
Get the bus. This is going to ships at the area.
Yeah.
And I could get the train over there. 36.
No, wait. You're fast.
I don't want to go back there.
All right. So what you gonna do is ring it. The bus is gonna stop at. It's gonna stop at East 15th and Z,
Right.
and you have to walk
up.
Right.
Yes.
Walk up. So what you do?
And get it at the ships at the stage stop.
Yeah. What you will do is ring the bell because sometimes the bus driver will pass the stop.
I know. You're right about that.
Ring the bell before you do it because if
Wait, how far is West State? I could get a train right here too.
Yeah, right there.
Let me take my train.
Yeah.
I guess because you stand up here just telling me,
No, I'm waiting for the I'm waiting for the bus because I connect to I'm getting to my bus. Yeah.
I don't want to take the bus tonight. Let's take the train. Come back to the road stop.
Yeah, you can take the queue right there. It doesn't make no sense. It doesn't make no sense you taking the train 3. Yeah. The queue is right there, and you just miss the queue.
I don't mind. I'm gonna get it.
Yeah.
All this day is new. It's restaurant up here. We didn't have that. Right?
Yeah.
Last year we didn't have that.
I'm gonna tell you something too.
It's like a new thing.
I'm gonna tell you this too. It's the reason why they're doing it is because they want to try to better the economy. Because remember when the White House, whoever run the White House before, they made it worse. Where the rent was, they trying to increase the rent so people could afford it. So the reason why, that's the issue with that. You see, they put in the place because they try and get people to they're raising the rent so people could afford it. That's the reason why.
We can't afford it.
We can't afford it.
Because we will live in Brooklyn forever. We can't
Afford it. Yeah.
And all the people coming in now.
Exactly.
Yeah,
Right.
go to have more people coming in if you
Right.
come in the right way.
Wait.
But
it's the truth. The truth of the matter is the issues with that is people are blaming the president for the issues, but the president has nothing to do with the economy. It's the people that work for the Capitol and run the House.
that's right.
They the ones. Yes.
They don't distribute.
They don't
They
disagree.
don't distribute money fairly.
Right.
I am one who go to rally and go to Albany and go to Washington.
Yeah.
They can go on here. We
Yeah.
get from Washington to Saturday.
Yeah. And I heard this too. The reason why they want Joe Biden to step down to re-elect.
But he stepped down.
But I'm
That's
saying,
breaking news right now a while ago. I
Listen.
was in Queens and I heard it.
listen, the reason why because they don't. The people in the Democrat Party, they like, oh, because he was good at 2020, they want to come out of Harris to fill his seat. But technically, Joe
A lot of
Biden.
people don't want him to come
That's
back.
what I'm saying.
A lot of Democrats don't want him.
That's what I'm saying.
She was not seen against Biden.
Yes.
Remember when in the debate?
Yes. I
Yeah,
said,
see a lot of news.
but I'm saying to you is, we, the Democrats, have to shake it up because let me tell you, we don't want that idiot man back in the White House. I don't want that idiot man because at the end of the day, he's causing this whole issue with the Capitol. Because the people that House the Republicans, they support that idiot, and he's a convicted felon. And guess who he wants for VP? A 35-year-old man.
39.
39.
I was watching everything. I was watching.
I'm telling you. But the thing about it is all about the politics.
The politics, let me tell you, all of them is the same damn shit.
Yes.
Republican, Democrat.
Yes.
It's about their status.
Status, right.
Their position.
Yeah.
And they want to look what Mendes did.
Yeah.
Thing.
Yeah.
So none of them perfect.
That's what I'm saying.
They're not perfect. They always have faults.
Yes.
They all got faults. And they use people, they use us to get their vote.
And the thing about it is,
They don't shit
the people...
the promises this or what
And
they
they
promise
don't...
this and all this.
You see, you see what I tell you? Right. They promise us certain things. And when you say, oh, come vote for me, over do this, when they get in the Capitol, you ain't seeing
It's a
nothing
different
there.
story.
Different story.
Rallying for
Right,
I
yeah.
11 and we use